morning, adventurers.
Good morning.
Welcome to the Endless Adventure Christmas Extravaganza.
Christmas Extravaganza.
I don't know if it'll be that much of an extravaganza, but we're gonna have a lot of Christmas fun today, you guys, starting with delicious Christmas coffee.
Yay, and our Christmas cups and our Christmas onesies. It's Christmas.
How comfortable
almost.
does she look right now?
I'm so comfortable.
We actually have this Christmas tradition we've been doing for like the last 3 or 4 years where like a week before Christmas, we just take one day, we don't really get on our phones or consume any technology, and we get drunk and we watch Christmas movies. That's it.
So that's what we're doing, and we're taking you guys along with us.
Yeah.
And somehow we convinced my brother Adam and our friend Matt to come and do this with us as well.
So they're gonna get down with some Christmas shenanigans along with us.
Yeah.
We are changing things up this year. We usually just do this at Allison's place, but we decided to go rent a cabin so we could get away, get into nature. As you can see, we are very secluded right now. It's freaking awesome.
It's great. There are cows out there mooing. There are little farm cats that have been scurrying around. And it's very nice and quiet here. My home has a lot of people in it and babies, and there's a lot going on. But here, we can just get down to business, which is getting drunk and watching movies.
That's our business today. So we're gonna go inside and show you guys this cabin. It's actually really charming.
So cute. Welcome to the York House. This is a little cabin on a property that actually has a winery, the Edge Cliff Winery. How charming and rustic is this place, y'all? It is wood on wood on wood. So this is obviously where we will be spending most of our time and have spent most of our time already. In the living room, they have a huge TV, a nice little fireplace that doubles as a heater, which is great because it is, like we mentioned, very cold. And although they do have a great heating system, it gets a little bit chilly.
So this is what we were looking for, is a nice chill area to do our movie watching festivities.
Yeah. This house apparently was on the property in another area, and our host told us that they moved it here in the early 1930s. I think this house is very old, maybe from the 1800s.
They literally moved it.
They moved it. I don't know how or why.
It's quite a feat to undertake.
Maybe, I guess there is a nice little field and there's a creek down there. Maybe they just wanted a better view. And then in here we have the kitchen. So there's this huge oven and stove, nice big old farmhouse sink.
This is also a very well-equipped kitchen, which is great because you guys know we like to cook in our Airbnbs.
And
we're gonna be
we'll be doing a lot of that
what you're saying
today. Maybe it's the ghosts.
And this is our bedroom. Very sweet. We got some proper rustic cabin vibes in this place, you guys. We're loving it. My favorite part of this place is these hardwood floors. I love how tiny all the boards are, and the color is really vibrant, and I'm really sad that we can't put something like this in the RV because real hardwood floors are just incredibly heavy and not really appropriate for an RV, but I wish we could.
One day, we'll have to get a house, obviously, next so that we can do stuff like this.
Yeah, but for now, it's vinyl planks. That's what we're doing. There are hidden doors all over this place. Luckily, our host came in and explained it all to us, or we would have had a hard time finding, where the stairs are. They're behind this door, of course. Ta-da! Follow me upstairs.
Isn't that wild? I've never seen doors like that.
It's really cool, actually. This is the coolest part of the house, because this looks like you're walking into an old colonial museum or something. Very easy to hit your head, though, too, so you gotta watch out.
And this...
I think this is Matt's room, right?
Oh, God. I'm telling you, this house has nooks where nightmares live.
Adam, show him your shirt. I think he might have us beat. Check him out.
I don't know why half of it's upside down.
Oh, yeah.
And this is the huge back porch, which if it were warmer, we would for sure be out here. But there's a nice little creek down there. You can hear the water running through it, and the wind keeps blowing. You can hear it rustling in the trees. It's a really nice, chill vibe. And all you hear, cows mooing. Cows mooing.
You almost got there.
in the background. Okay, enough with the tour. I'm very hungry, and we are making chicken and waffles. Let's go do it. I think the chicken is done. Oh, it is crackling in there. So tiny.
Don't burn yourself now.
Trying. Our original plan was to do it all homemade, and then we realized that's a lot of work, and we don't want to do a lot of work today. So, freshly thawed, pre-made chicken. for consumption.
Adam ruined his waffle.
No, I didn't.
Did make a lot of smoke though. Chicken and waffles are done. We got organic syrup. Yeah.
It looks very nice. It smells so good. Let's see.
Don't shine out, come on.
Ooh.
It's Christmas,
Gosh,
man.
I know, but
That's all you're putting on
I'm
there?
gonna be in a sugar coma if I eat more.
These are Kodiak waffles, which they're frozen waffles, but they're delicious.
They're so good. They're like buttermilk waffles, and they're huge and fluffy.
This is where we're going to be doing all of our viewing for the day, but it's not quite festive enough. All right, now we're ready to watch some Christmas movies. Yeah. First up, we're going to be watching Bad Santa. That is my choice. I feel like it's appropriate for a drunken Christmas weekend,
Oh, it's great.
but we can't really show you that, obviously. So we'll see you on the other side. Bad Santa was a success. Although we accidentally got the director's cut and it wasn't as good as the original.
Watch the original.
Yeah, a bunch of scenes were missing and a bunch of scenes were there that we had never seen before.
That weren't any better than the original.
But the property, I think did we mention this, that there's a winery in the property?
Yes, and they are open on the weekends for wine tastings.
Mm-hmm.
I think they're only letting a certain number of people in, but we just called and confirmed that we can be seated. So we're just making the short little walk down there.
This is a sweet property though, because you got all the cows off in the distance. There's like a farm over there. This huge field right in front of the house. It's very nice. It's not even that cold too.
I know, and look at us, we changed out of our pajamas.
Cheers
Yay!
to our special Christmas tradition.
Christmas and friends and family, and most of all, wine.
And this huge bison that's watching over us. He's very wise.
He's our protector. I like his earrings.
Our wine tasting is well underway, but we need a little snack. So it looks like they have little, like crackers and cheese, and they have bison sausage, and it is delicious.
It's a little awkward because there's literally a bison watching us
I feel
while
like
we're eating
he's
bison.
judging us. Or maybe he's happy that, we're putting his brethren to use. They did not die in vain. They are okay.
Look what Adam did.
No, I didn't.
Oh, it's really saturating the paper. Oh, no. Kitty.
you? Yes.
This cat has been running around the property, but it wouldn't come say hi. You're no Marvin, but you're cute.
She loves people, but she hates cats. She's so funny.
You guys, they have mulled wine. They gave us a little taster.
I'm so excited.
We haven't had any this year. This is the first year we haven't had mulled
I
wine
know.
in like 4 years.
We always go to Christmas markets in Europe, and we always get mulled wine.
First things first, we're gonna get some mulled wine. Oh, that's pretty dang good.
You know it's good when they have like little pieces of actual herbs and spices in there? And I didn't really know that they did it here in the States, but they do here at this winery.
Have you guys ever had it before?
Nope. I've had it. It's like Christmas in a glass.
Yeah.
It's
great.
awesome.
It's the best.
Aw.
All right, mulled wine.
Yeah.
Cheers. We're also a little tipsy because we've had a lot of wine, so.
Do I have wine lips? Sorry.
Definitely.
Do I? Oh no, I've been trying to wipe them off. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
So, our tasting is complete, but we really like the mulled wine. And since it's so cold outside, we decided to each get a glass.
To go.
Yeah.
Since we're living on the property, we can do that.
Exactly. And Adam actually got a bottle of wine and sausage. I don't know how I ended up with it, but that's probably right where it will end up.
I almost tripped.
Did you just die?
Yeah. This is pretty sweet, you guys. We are the only ones in the vineyard right now. There are all these cows mooing off in the distance. We got the fire going here.
Oh my gosh, it's
Very
lovely. This is exactly what we were hoping for. Much better than just being in our basement on our couches. Out in nature, baby.
I'm happy we got mulled wine.
I know.
Yeah.
It's so good. It's so cheerful and cheery and great. Now that we have plenty of liquid courage, we're going to try our hand at homemade eggnog. First, eggs. Next, heavy whipping cream. Our good friend, sugar. And then plenty of spices. And now we just mix these all together and make a beautiful, beautiful creation.
You're doing some proper alchemy over here.
Well,
I didn't even know this is how you did it.
Yeah, so I forgot to say, there's also milk in here. There's a lot of milk and cream. And then once it gets kind of boiling, you have to mix it into your egg and sugar mixture and whisk it so that the eggs don't cook too much and curdle. It's a whole thing, apparently. Hopefully I'm doing it right. I don't know. The recipe says to do it to certain temperatures and things. We don't have that sophistication in this kitchen, though, so we're just gonna play it by ear. It's gonna be fine.
And if you can't pull it off, we have real eggnog right here.
Just in case this goes horribly askew, we got the good stuff. Executive decision time. I think it's done. It should thicken more as it cools. If not, it'll just be some thin eggnog. That's fine.
What are you trying to do over there?
I'm popping a champagne bottle. Nope. I can't do it.
This is actually a little party trick that I'm trying to teach these guys. Matt can kind of do it when he's not under pressure, but... You pop the bottle like a champagne bottle.
Yeah.
Who wants champagne? Oh, that was a
It's
good one.
forceful. You got some force behind it.
All right. The eggnog is done. Now we have to cool it for a little while because it's really hot, actually. So we'll check on that later. But in the meantime, we're going to watch our second movie of the day. This is going to be a new movie, at least for this Christmas tradition. It is Gremlins.
Ooh, so Christmassy. Christmas monsters.
People actually argue whether or not Gremlins is a Christmas movie. It's kind of like Die Hard, where it's not necessarily a Christmas movie, but it takes place around Christmas. I would argue that Gremlins is more Christmassy than Die Hard. So
Dang, come and fight him.
we're making it a Christmas movie right now, but we can't show you any of that. So we'll see you on the other side. Dinner's coming along. We got the veggies cooking right here. We've got some
Homemade
pasta sauce.
pasta sauce. Noodles, which are done and just waiting for the sauce. We have meatballs that are cooked. And then garlic bread still going in the oven.
Nice to have a properly equipped kitchen.
Oh, it's
Makes
so
all
good.
the difference.
So good. Dinner is just about ready, but so is our eggnog. We're gonna do a taste test. And hopefully, oh God. Well, I was gonna say hopefully nobody dies, but maybe I didn't heat it as much as I thought I did.
Yeah, you just gotta mix it up. It looks pretty good.
Yummy.
These are Adam and Matt's glasses here. I've got my special holiday glass, and then I think Allison wins for best mug.
I mostly just feel bad about doing this to everyone, but Merry Christmas. Yeah?
Yeah. Cheers.
Oh,
Pretty freaking good, actually.
All
That's
that's not
right.
bad. It tastes
surprising.
like a thing.
Wow.
It tastes better than regular eggnog. I like the ones you buy at the store.
It's really
Wow.
thick and
Yeah.
spicy.
It's like artisan.
This has the perfect amount of spice in it.
Well, there we go.
Pretty solid.
I was really thinking this was
Time
going to be
mix
god
some
awful.
Whiskey into this.
Yes.
Whiskey eggnogs all around. Success.
Yeah.
I think that's going to do it for tonight. You guys, I can't remember where we left off, but we did watch another movie.
Yeah. Operation Christmas Fun was a success.
Fun was had, you guys.
Although
we did it.
I realized we bought a cookie decorating kit and forgot to do that. Dang
Yeah,
it.
the day kind of got away from us. We were just kind of chilling and wasting time all day.
Yeah.
But we did manage to watch 3 movies.
Watched
We watched
3 movies.
Bad Santa, Gremlins, and,
And
Just
Just Friends.
Friends. Just Friends, if you haven't seen it, that's our favorite Christmas
Yeah.
movie. It's just a lot of fun.
Oh, it's so good.
Yeah, it's not really even that Christmassy, but it is a Christmas movie. The highlight of the night was the eggnog.
Oh my gosh, it ended up being so good.
Yeah, that's going to be a yearly thing.
Yeah,
'cause
oh,
that was very...
For sure.
Very impressive. You guys should let us know your favorite holiday traditions in the comments below.
Yes.
Because now you know ours.
Yeah.
This is what we do.
And maybe we can adopt them. We also typically make homemade sweaters, but we didn't do that either.
So we
this
just
year.
stuck with the onesies, which we've had
The
on
onesies are just
all
so
day.
comfy.
Other than that, we're very, very tired. So I think we're going to end it here and go to bed.
Yeah. it's our
I'm sad.
last-
I don't want it to end, though.
I know. It's our last night. I kind of wish we had done this like our first night here, so we could just chill all day tomorrow again.
Yeah,
but
because we're back to the RV tomorrow.
yeah, tomorrow.
maybe the day after tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see.
But happy holidays, everyone. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's the end of 2020, the year from hell.
Yeah.
I hope it goes away and
Never comes
never
back.
ever even gets close to coming back. Good night, adventurers.
We'll see you on the road.